So now second is to transform into doc. If you have a set of Instagram posts or any post you have there, let's just do it with the help of this place current page. So we have this 5 business hacks entrepreneurs won't tell you. Suppose you have this kind of Instagram or informative Instagram post on your Instagram handle. So you can transform that into a blog post. So how? With the help of Magic Switch. If I click on this, click on the transform into doc, and you will find a different type of things you can do. There's a summary, there's a alt text, there's a blog post, these are the things you can do. Obviously we are going to transform that into blog post. So if I click on the transform into doc, so it will get the heading 5 business hacks won't tell you, and it will transform that into a blog post. Just wait and watch. So it has done. If I click on the open doc, so 5 business hacks in terms of tell you, it has created all those 5 hacks, and now you can easily create a blog out of it. So that's how easy it is to create or use Magic Switch to create a blog from an Instagram post or any post you may upload it. It does not only work from the templates. You can upload any image, it will read the image and transform that into a blog post just like this. So that's how easy it is.